Good morning kids. On yesterday's class, we learnt about the subtraction by one regrouping. In today's class, we are going to see exercise 6.2, subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers with 2 regrouping. Means by changing 2 digits, we have to find the difference. How to find with these 3 examples? I will show it to you. At first, the question what we are having? Find the difference. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. Difference means we have to do the subtraction. They directly give answer 5673 minus 2186. They will give directly this much question. By seeing this question, at first we have to make a column like this. Okay? By seeing how many digit number we are having, we have to make that many column. Then we have to arrange these numbers in this column. How to arrange? First, ones place digit, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Next, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Next, thousands place digit we have to write. Then don't forget to keep this sign. Which is this sign? This is the sign of subtraction, minus sign. Next, first always we have to subtract the ones place. See children, digit 3 is smaller than 6. Is possible to subtract 6 in 3? You are having only 3 pencils with you. Are you able to give 6 pencils to anybody? No. So in this situation what we have to do? We have to regroup. How to regroup? By taking carry from the next place. Which is the next place? After 12 we are having tens place. So we have to take one carry, otherwise borrow. Borrow from which place? From the tens place. By taking the borrow. What happened here? 3 become as a 13. What we have to do? We have to add 10 ones to the first number. Which is the first number? Minuend. By adding 10 to 3, we will get 13. By giving the borrow, means by giving the carry, this lost one place. 7 lost one place. So 7 become as a 6 here. Next, we have to subtract the numbers. 13 minus 6. Okay? 13 minus 6 means we have to remember the digit 6. Count till get 13. After to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many times we counted? 7 times. So write down as 7 here. Next, here we are having 6 minus 8. Are you able to subtract 8 in 6? No. Then we have to regroup. Here we have to make one more column. So children, pause this video and make one more column. See children, what we have to do? In this 6, we cannot subtract 8. Why? Because here 6 is smaller than 8. We cannot subtract smaller number. We cannot subtract bigger number in a smaller number. So what we have to do? We have to regroup these 6. How to regroup? By taking carry from the next place. Which is the next place? Hundreds place. We will take one carry, otherwise we will take one borrow from the hundreds place, and we will regroup these 6 as 16. By taking carry, what happens here? This 6 becomes as a 16. By giving the carry, 6 lost one place, 6 becomes as a 5 here. Now, count the number after to 8 to get 16. After to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many times we counted? 8 times. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 3. So the difference is 33,487. Next, going to the second problem. Here I already arranged the numbers in a column. Now we will regroup this number. digit 6 is bigger as compared to 2. So we cannot subtract bigger number in a smaller number. So we will regroup this 2 as 12. How this became 12? By making this 6 as a 5. What happened, children? We took carry from the next place. By taking the carry, 2 became 10. And by giving the carry, 6 lost one place. 6 became as a 5 here. Now we will subtract the ones place. After to 6, count to get as a 12. We will count for 6 times. Next, 8 is a bigger number, 5 is a smaller number. Are you able to subtract bigger number in a smaller number? No. So what we have to do? Next we have to regroup this. By taking carry from the next place, 5 became as a 50, and by giving the carry, 5 lost one place, 5 became as a 4 here. Now count after to 8 to get as a 15. After to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We counted for 7 times. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the difference. Next, 7 is a bigger number. We cannot subtract. So we will regroup this 6 as a 16 by making this 3 as a 2 here. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We counted for 9 times. Going to the tens place. After completing the ones place, we have to subtract the tens place. Here this 5 is bigger than 2. We cannot subtract bigger number in a smaller number. We will regroup this 2 as a 12 by making this 6 as a 5. What we did, children? We took carry from the next place. Always we had to take carry from the bigger place. Next to tens we have in hundreds place. So we have to take carry from the hundreds place. So we regrouped these 2 as a 12 by making the 6 as a 5. Now after to 5 we will get how much difference? 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. To clarify your answer, you have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. Correct. 5 plus 7 is 12. Correct. 1 plus 4 is 5. It is also correct. 6 plus 3 is 9. It is also correct. 6 plus 0 is 6. So what we got? The answers we got correct. So what we have to do? So we had, by checking this, we have to confirm our answer. Okay. Now we will see some more examples in the textbook, which is present in the textbook, page number 120. Before going to start the textbook, at first copy down these 3 problems in your notebook, and children, you have to practice more about the subtraction, how to borrow, how to regroup this one. So copy it down. See children, page number 120. Exercise 6.2, subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers with 2 regrouping. We already learned this example on board. First we had to regroup the ones place. By taking the carry, 3 became 13, and by giving carry, 7 lost one place, 7 became as a 6. We cannot subtract bigger number in a smaller number. Then once again we had to regroup 6 as a 16 by taking carry, and by giving carry, 6 lost one place, it became as a 5. Then we had to subtract the number. One example I will show it to you. 7 minus 3. In this 7 we cannot subtract 3, so we will regroup 3 as a 13 by making this 7 as a 6. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We counted for 6 times. Here first we have to observe the digit. 6 we are having and subtract is 8. We cannot subtract bigger number in a smaller number. So what we have to do? Once again we have to regroup this 6 as a 16 by making this 4 as a 3. Why we cancelled 4? Why? Because we took carry from the next place, which is the next hundreds place. From hundreds place we took carry. So this 4 lost one place, 4 become as a 3. By taking the carry, 6 got 10. So what we have to do? We have to add 10 to 6, we will get 16. Now count the number after to 8 to get as a 16. We will get the difference as 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is about subtraction, about 2 regroupings. Remaining 5 examples, only 5 you are having. At first, solve it in the textbook and you had to resolve in notebook. And children, you had to practice it. Subtraction, without practice you will not get subtraction. So what you have to do? You have to practice more to get a difference. Okay, bye.